Mr. Scotty.
I'm blind. I'm blind. I can't see. I can't see.
Okay. Anywho, so Scotty, with his unchristian-like hands, was able to get the plugs out of the driver's side. He get the passenger side ones first. 1 through 4. They're all here in a row. I've definitely seen worse, but I've definitely seen better. And it's kind of intriguing, the burn pattern on some of these. And then there's a lot of oil on them too. So,
Which only goes to show that the valve cover gaskets were cocked.
On the outside, correct. Yeah, there's definitely been some oil coking. Yeah. So, I've also noticed, just kind of cleaning up, tidying up here before reassembly, there's some schmutz in the heads. It's similar to when I tore down Steven's motor originally in his Galaxy.
Right.
I actually found coolant coming out of this head bolt.
Oh, damn.
But Kim doesn't have that problem. It's just he just has some sludgy, scuzzy, and that's a little bit of metal too, which is a little alarming. But it's not overly terrible. There's nothing, don't freak out or nothing. But yeah, not so bad.
No, not at all.
I got the sprocket on the crank. It's ready to go. And I'm going to start getting the rest of the timing set together. That figured out, and we'll continue on.
Sounds like a plan, Stan.
Who's Stan?
Don't need to be coy, Roy.
Who's Roy?
Just listen to me.
Listen to me, who? Listen to me, Lee.
God. Young people.
Old people.